penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. This is your Glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with my dining table refresh. So if you want to see what I've done, stay tuned. If you have seen my Christmas tablescape or my Christmas walkthrough video, you would have seen this table beautifully decorated in a winter wonderland with all the glitz and the glam. But as of right now, after Christmas, this is what it looks like. I have decided for 2018 to just keep everything really light and fresh, and that's the look I'm going for. So I'll just show you what I have put on the table here just to, keep it cute, keep it light, and keep it elegant. So what I've done with the table is I've removed all the color, the white tablecloth, and all the embellishments that it had from Christmas. I have kept the bling table runner that I had on the tablescape. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I've kept that, and I have just put my bling bowl along with the matching candle holder on this mirror tray. This mirror tray was also a part of my Christmas tablescape. I've decided to keep that on there as well. And aside from that, I have candlesticks on both sides of the mirror tray. And that's about all I have done with this room. Didn't think it needed anything else until the next event. Then I will decorate and do a totally different tablescape to match, whatever I have coming on. So I've kept my bar cart the same as I did over Christmas, with the same items on it. The round tray with the martini glasses, the crystal silver bucket that you would have also seen in my Valentine's Day tablescape for two. Just again, wanting to keep this room very, very light. So as you can see, everything is beautifully tied in, from the bar cart, the items on the bar cart, to what I've done with the refresh off the table, as well as my wall art that I did a few months ago. If you have not yet seen that video, I do recommend that you check it out. As a matter of fact, I'll leave a link for you below so you can go ahead and see how I created this beautiful piece on the wall. So that is it, everyone. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. If this is your first time seeing my channel, I truly do appreciate you coming by. If you have not yet subscribed, I do recommend that you do so right now at the bottom. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload a video. And to all my lovely and beautiful penny pinchers, absolutely love you guys as always. Love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.